Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the double crochet chain 1 stitch pattern. What you'll want to do is any multiples of 2 plus 4. So to get started, I am going to do a quick 12 chains plus 4. Alright, now to get started, we want to do a double crochet into the 5th chain from the hook, followed by a chain 1. Then we will skip 1 and double crochet into the next stitch. So chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. And we'll repeat this till the end of the row. Alright, here we go. And that is our first row. So to start up on the next one, we want to do 4 chains. And in that gap from the chain 1 below, that's where we want to do our double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet into that chain 1 gap. And we'll repeat this to the end of the row, and that's actually how you do this whole entire pattern. Really easy, just a chain 1 and a double crochet. The only hard part to remember is when you come to your last one and you chain 1, you want to double crochet not in the chain 1 space, but actually into the side chain itself. And the reason for this is so you have a nice smooth side. Alright, so we'll chain 4 and double crochet into our chain 1 gap from below. And I love how this pattern turns out because it seems like your double crochets face different directions, so you end up getting this nice little wavy V. So here we go again with the last stitch. We're going to chain 1, and remember you want to do your double crochet into the chain 1 space. And that's it. That's how you do the double crochet chain 1 crochet pattern. We got to have the cat check it for quality assurance to make sure we did okay. And I'm going to guess that I got her approval. Ooh, cuddles. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.